Sometimes, comfort is the deadliest trap. This is the story of an island where vultures had everything except what truly mattered. Once, a flock of vultures soared over the ocean and landed on a lush green island. Calm waters, abundant food fish, frogs, and small sea creatures. Best of all, no predators. "This is paradise," said one young vulture. "No hunting, no danger, just food and rest. Let's stay forever." They all agreed. At first, life was bliss. But slowly, laziness crept in. Their wings weakened. Their claws dulled. Flying became optional. Hunting forgotten. Life became comfortable. One old vulture watched quietly. He had seen the real world. He had seen danger. And he knew the cost of weakness. One day, he gathered the flock. "This island is stealing our strength. We must return to the jungle. That is where life truly lives. Danger will come, and none of you will survive if it does." The young vultures laughed. "Old one, you worry too much. We're safe here. Why risk suffering?" The old vulture's eyes narrowed. "Your wings have forgotten the sky. Your claws have softened. What will you do when the test comes?" No one listened. He left, flying alone. Months passed. Then, a ship appeared on the horizon. From it, leopards were released. At first they wandered lazily, but soon they noticed the vultures. These birds could no longer fly, could no longer escape. One by one they were hunted. One by one they fell. Their cries went unheard, their strength was gone. The old vulture returned. The sight froze him. Dead vultures lay scattered across the island. Silence, destruction. He found one young vulture wounded and trembling. "What happened?" "You were right," the young one whispered. "We forgot how to fly. We forgot how to fight. They killed us. We should have listened." The old vulture sat in silence. The sky above remained blue, but the wings that once ruled it were still. Comfort can be a cage. Slowly, silently, it drains your strength, your skills, your courage. As long as you face challenges, embrace discomfort, and confront life head-on, you grow strong from the inside out. But the moment you choose only comfort, you drift away from truth. And when danger comes, you find yourself helpless. Unable to fight, unable to soar. Ask yourself, are you living in a comfort zone you don't even see? If this story spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it and reflect on your own wings. Because stories aren't just told, they are felt.